Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left side and tap to the button with settings so we can open camera options. Now let's slide a little bit to general category, and here at the second position we have horizontal level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our leveler. Now let me keep it turned on and let's move back to the camera. As you can see, we have this line in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And this is how it works. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to left side settings, tap to horizontal level to turn it off. So for now in the preview, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave the thumbs up.